everyone, this is Lee and I'm from Anfield Road. Layout in the Loft is my channel, and this is an out and about video when I went to a train show, and this is Rainhill train show. It was their Christmas show they do, so it was some interesting train show to go to. It was 09 and Engage layouts, some cool layouts that I've seen. Yeah, so thank you for the day out. What I had, I enjoyed it. I went on a train to a train show, and it was a good little train show. I like putting sarcastic in my thingies, but yeah, I loved what I do. I do trains, do a lot of scratch build, as you know. I build kits, build out of matches, and I did get some bargains as well from the train show that I went to, and I did get something that I am going to be doing a review on as well. So, but more of that later. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll know when that comes out. And live streams I do, and they're not subscriber only. I actually despise doing subscriber only. That's what we've got moderators for. But less of that, more on the train show that I've just done. Yeah, the train show, it was an interesting train show. I went on a train to a train show, and it was mainly 09 and Engage 1. It's their Christmas one they do, Rainhill Model Railway Club. It was their Christmas one. So yeah, and it's all train related. So boom boom. As well as that, you can support me by my Amazon wish list. I am always adding to my Amazon wish list. So go and have a look at my Amazon wish list and see what you see on it, and have a look at it. And as well as that, you can add me on Discord, and me as well as that on me what's the other I've got? Oh, Twitter. Yeah, I've got a mental block. It's the cold. I put it down to. That's what I put it down to. The cold. But yeah, we've got a lot going on with the channel. But less of that. Like and subscribe to my channels, and we'll go over to the video that's in question from Rainhill train show. There's some awesome stuff, footage that I got, so have a look and hope you like. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now. See you at the end.